Hey everyone, so I am in the process of putting soil back in my green stalks, and I want to do this one with corn, so I have my spot right there. Where's my other spinner? So I have these spinning bases. I bought these at Amazon a long time ago. I think they're 18-inch. I'm not sure. So what I'm doing is this. So I have my 3 spinning bases, and I'm going to be putting 2 tiers of my green stalks, about 3 high. There's 3, 1, 2. These are the leaves. I'm not going to be using those. 1, 2, 3. There. And 3. So I'm going to have these 3 just for the corn. So I'm going to try to fill it as much dirt as I can. Take it over there. It should be good to go. So, before I get started, so this soil was from Lowe's. It is the Star Green, the cheap version. All I did was I had some leftover seed starting mix I found, so I threw that in there. Miracle-Gro plant food, a little bit of perlite and some vermiculite, and I'm gonna mix it up and see how much soil I could use out of this to put in there, and then do the same thing to amend this soil with some other green stalks to get a fresh start. Filling these, and I'll bring you back to see the finished ending. New day, had a lot to do, and I just went to other things to do in the garden. So I'm going to be using this corn. It's the Silver Queen hybrid and some sunflower seeds. I'll plant in these 3 green stalks. Let's see. So the plan is to put corn in the 2 tiers, and then maybe the sunflowers in the bottom, maybe some corn as well at the bottom. We'll see how it goes. Just these 2 in there, and then I do want to grow a pumpkin in one. So I'm gonna leave 1 pocket space. I'm not sure how old these seeds are, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna plant 2 a pocket just in case. I'm just gonna do it at the last tier. That's it. Not much there. I have to just make sure I water it because it's not on my watering system. But corn and sunflowers will be coming up in the garden soon, shortly. So I'm pretty excited about that.